Hi, I'm colleague from the OnceHub support team. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure availability for specific booking calendars in your OnceHub account. This feature helps you customize when each booking calendar is set to offer certain meeting types during unique hours that differ from your regular schedule. It's especially useful if you manage multiple booking calendars. For example, one for internal meetings and another for client calls, and you want each to follow its own schedule. Let's look at another example. Imagine you have two booking calendars, one for your discovery calls with your clients and another for your project reviews. You might want to have the availability for the discovery calls in normal office hours, while your project review meetings takes place in the evening. With this feature, you can easily set different availability patterns for each calendar. Let's see how to set it up. Now, here you can see I have signed into my account. So let me show you my booking calendars. Let's say for the discovery calls, I want to have the availability for it for normal working hours. So we'll click on the discovery call booking calendar. Under booking settings, we'll scroll down to availability and location. Then we need to click on the option customize availability and locations. Here I have my normal working hours 9 to 5. Now let's look at my other booking calendar, which is the product reviews. I want to have the availability for this one something outside my normal working hours. So again, we'll scroll down to availability and location, click on customize availability and location. And let's say for this one, I'll click on edit and I'll set it from, let's say after office, so 6 to 8. I can use this for all the days. I'll copy it and hit apply and save it. Okay, so you can see for the discovery calls, I have my normal working hours from 9 to 5. And for my project reviews, it starts from after my normal working hours. So I have availability like 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. like that. That's it. You have just learned how to configure availability for specific booking calendars in OnceHub. This flexibility ensures that each of your booking calendars reflects your real schedule so your clients can always book with you at the right time. If you have any questions, our support team is always happy to help. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more OnceHub tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.